Come on, mother.
Okay,
You think I can't do it? I know.
Don't want to do
black
this.
belt in karate, a black belt in judo.
When he went to work early on the morning of May 9th, 2023, Officer Christopher Rains of the Port Orange Police Department had no idea that he would end up in a fight for his life against a master martial artist.
Wait a minute.
No, put your hand back.
Okay.
Come on.
Come on. Rush.
Sit up.
Okay.
Stand up.
Okay.
Right here.
You're lucky I didn't have my pocket knife with me. That's bad. Yeah,
Okay. You want me to take my pants off too?
No, if I wanted to, I'd tell you.
All right.
Keep your feet out.
Okay.
Keep your feet out. How hard is
Okay.
that?
Greetings, viewers. Dave Epstein from the Post Pollock firm. Today, I'm responding to someone who asked me about fighting with the police. Fighting with the police is obviously illegal. It carries incredibly enhanced charges. It's aggravated assault. Anytime you assault an officer, it's automatically aggravated because of the fact that they're a police officer. We want to protect police officers. We want to discourage people from attacking law enforcement officers. So I said, well, let me see if there's a video out there, and I found a gem. Let's take a look at it. It's entitled, "Man Challenges Cop to Karate Fight, Instantly Regrets It." Let's get into it.
Okay,
You think I can't do it? I know.
Don't
I
wanna
got a
do
black
this.
belt in karate, a black belt in judo.
When he went to work early on the morning of May 9th, 2023, Officer Christopher Rains of the Port Orange Police Department had no idea that he would end up in a fight for his life against a master martial artist. This encounter that you're about to witness is one of the craziest we've ever seen. Most of the following footage has never been seen before. As a routine morning drifted into afternoon, things took a bizarre turn. Port Orange Dispatch received a call in reference to a disturbed man loitering at the Puff and Stuff Smoke Shop at 4020 Nova Road in Port Orange, Florida.
So I have this gentleman that has been coming in and out of my shop, making me very uncomfortable and making other people uncomfortable. And he is not leaving the plaza, and I kind of want to get him removed away from the plaza because I'm here by myself and I don't feel comfortable.
Officer Rains responds to the scene before he can enter the store.
Let me just interject here, folks. Florida, the gift that keeps on giving. Let's continue.
However, a man attempts to grab his attention.
Officer, I have a question.
I'll be with you in a second.
Brushing him aside for now, the officer learns more about his absolutely bizarre behavior.
I called about him causing a disturbance, and he's come in here quite a few times already. It has bothered me and customers. It makes me very uncomfortable, and he likes to grab things and try and come behind the counter. So, kind of want him trespassed. He just keeps coming in and out, and he likes to touch things, and I've rung him up a couple times, and he's only bought drinks from me. But he's had me ring him up for almost $1,000 worth of product.
Okay. Yeah, I'm sure it's a guy out there. He's like a taller, kind of older white guy. Is that him?
Yeah. And
Okay.
he's talking to himself and talking to other people, and they're coming in here and they're uncomfortable as well.
Armed with this information, the officer confronts the man, later identified as 69-year-old William Boozy.
Yeah, officer. I hate to ask this, and it's not your fault. I was arrested about 8 months ago.
Okay, back up for me a little bit,
Oh, okay.
please.
I was arrested 8 months ago, and I spent 18 months in prison.
Part of this could be true. Mr. Boozy has been tried 10 times for various crimes from 2020 to 2023.
Which was not fun. I was so glad to be out. But anyways, I'm suing the Volusia County Sheriff. I'm suing. This is all with my lawyer. It's currently underway.
What's your question? Just get
Okay.
to that.
If I sue the Port Orange Police Department and they give me $250,000, that's tax-free, right?
I have no idea.
Okay, I'll have to talk to my accountant about that.
Okay.
EWU has been unable to confirm whether Mr. Boozy has an accountant or a pending lawsuit. After this strange introduction, the officer returns to the matter at hand. That's when this encounter turns from bizarre to absolutely surreal.
I'm here because the employee in the smoke shop right here behind me says that you've been coming in and out and bothering her and the customers.
No. When she told me to be quiet
Hang on.
and leave. And I said,
Okay, well, she says you've been in and out multiple times and you won't leave the place
but
alone. So, hang on, let me talk.
Okay.
Let me talk. And it's not a debate or a negotiation, okay?
No.
You are now trespassing the store, which means you cannot go in there anymore. Do you understand that?
All right, then she'll have to set my stuff outside then.
What stuff?
I have $2,000 worth of merchandise that she's holding.
No, she said that she rung a
Go
bunch of
ask
stuff
her.
up for
Go
her and
ask
you never
her right
bought it.
now.
Okay.
Go ask her, you mother.
Okay.
Come over here and I'll kick your fucking out of you. Come on, mother.
Okay.
You think I can't do it? I know.
Don't
I
wanna
got a
do
black
this.
belt in karate, and a black belt in judo.
However, if you claim you have black belts in karate and judo, you probably don't.
You understand
You're
you're
gonna be
trespassing
able
the
to
store, correct?
I'll take your goddamn gun and walkie-talkie,
Okay.
and I'll drive off in your patrol car.
Okay. You understand?
Okay, folks, just so you understand, this guy, really, he needs a psych evaluation, whether he's a karate expert. I don't know. I thought karate experts were supposed to be really into taking care of their bodies and whatnot. They don't hang around at smoke shops, but what do I know? But he's obviously irrational. Maybe he's using drugs or alcohol, and these officers are trying to diffuse the situation, but apparently this guy cannot be diffused.
Trespass from the store, correct?
Yes, I understand you, mother.
Okay.
Now get that out of my face.
I'm 12 feet away from you, not in your face at all. Okay.
Luckily, Officer Raines is uninjured by the flying projectile.
Go ahead, arrest me. Arrest me.
By Central Second Unit, go to.
Wait a minute.
No, put your hand behind your back.
Okay.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
God damn it.
You're under arrest.
All
Put your other
right,
hand behind your back right now.
I'm under arrest.
Put your other hand behind your back right now.
Okay.
Right now. Put your other hand behind your back.
Hey, God damn it. Jesus Christ.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
You don't have to be so rough.
Sit up.
Okay.
Stand up. Come right
Okay.
here.
Jesus.
Live by Central. Mail under arrest. Need to call Texas assault battery.
This is another lawsuit. I'm suing you for $1 million. $10 million.
For the record, folks, they were not being too rough. That was actually smooth. I'm still wondering where they say he's in a fight for his life, because I've known people who did karate. I used to wrestle myself, and that did not look to me to be much of a karate expert, especially the way he was kicking. But the police officers acted appropriately. He's throwing things at them. He's threatening them. He's threatening to grab their guns. They got to do what they're doing.
Whatever. Wait till my lawyer gets a hold of this. I'll be out in 30 minutes.
Okay.
Officer Raines shows immense bravery and dedication to duty by willingly going hands-on with Mr. Boozy, who claims to be well-trained in hand-to-hand combat.
Right now you're under arrest for battery on a law enforcement officer for throwing something at me.
Oh, he's the one.
Yeah, well, don't do it. Why would you throw something at me?
Because you pissed me off.
Well, there you go.
You're acting like a jerk.
Five by
The
Central.
pot
Someone's
calls
running
a kettle
code 3 to me.
black.
I don't need that.
You're lucky I didn't have my pocket knife with me. I'd stab your. You'd be dead right now. You can write it all in the police report. I don't give a. The last thing I wanted to do is get arrested and go back to jail.
Then you shouldn't have thrown someone at a police officer. You're an idiot for doing that.
Well, I'll never do it again. I guarantee you
Sometimes
that.
that's not true.
I won't even spit at it. I'll spit on the ground. Ugh. This is ridiculous.
It sure is.
The energized encounter continues as other officers arrive on the scene.
Are you a nice cop? Are you the nice cop? Is it nice cop, bad cop time? I've been through it a million times. I know the routine.
Stand up straight.
All right, hold on. Jesus, quit jerking me around. I'm almost 70 years old, for Christ's sake, and I got arthritis. No, I know you got to arrest me, but Jesus Christ, can you take it a little bit easy?
You just listen. It's on our time, not your time.
I know that. I've been arrested like 7 or 8 times.
Then you should know better not throw stuff at a police officer.
I know.
Dumb.
All right. What's in my arm?
Have a seat in the car.
All right.
Well, they don't have to call him idiot and dumbass, folks, but let's face facts. I responded, I did this in response to somebody asking me about people fighting with the police, and I don't know if this is the right video, because I believe that most of my viewers, or all of them, are rational adults, and you don't act like this. This is like the worst thing you can do. I think this guy, if they're doing the right thing, what they should do is take him. First, they have to book him. They have to book him, fingerprint him. That's the way it works. Even with somebody who appears to be mentally ill or having a psychotic episode or whatever, But they really should take this man for a psychological evaluation, because it's almost like he wants to get arrested and wants to get thrown in jail. It just doesn't look good. Let's see how it finishes up, or some of the finish, and see what happens with this guy.
All right, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna fucking
Sit
take.
down, kick
Well,
your
all
shoes
right.
Kick your shoes off.
All right, give me a minute.
Kick your shoes off.
Jesus Christ, man, you're a.
Keep your feet out.
Okay. You want me to take my pants off too?
No, if I wanted to, I'd tell you.
All right.
Keep your feet out.
Okay.
Keep your feet out. How hard is
Okay.
that?
Jesus, mother.
Get your down.
I'd be glad to go to jail. Get me to jail as fast as you can.
What's that?
After the suspect is put in the cruiser and Officer Raines starts typing his incident report, the other officers move to collect Mr. Boozy's belongings.
Oof, I can't see it. What a waste of a sandwich.
Shockingly, Mr. Boozy was actually being truthful, as the officers find a pocket knife among his possessions.
Alright, into the garbage we go. Pocket knife.
As one officer moves to throw out the perishables in Mr. Boozy's possession, the other deputy gets more insight into the troubled man's mind.
Wow, this is it's a lot to take in, is what it is. He started a new business, and it is a success. The money is rolling in, baby.
Officer Raines is getting an earful at the same time, back at the squad car.
I'm going to come see you after I get out of jail today. When I'm out of jail 15 minutes, I'm going to bring your box of goodies. Some marijuana, cookies, some baked beans, and a cake.
Okay, folks, he's going to bring him a box of goodies, all sorts of edibles and vapes and things like that. The upshot is that this guy is, to me, he's clearly mentally ill. He should be evaluated. He shouldn't be walking around. I mean, the guy's talking about he's a karate expert. The way he was kicking, I don't think so. But these are police officers who are used to dealing with this stuff. But that woman in the store, she's there all by herself. And sometimes you just have to remove a danger from the street. As far as the topic which we started out with, don't fight with police, well, don't fight with police. Because eventually you will be taken down and you'll go to jail, and you'll do jail time. You'll do hard time for assaulting an officer. Throwing something at him like that guy did, depends what you throw, but it can be serious. This guy would probably be treated as somebody who's probably not guilty by reason of insanity, maybe not, because he's just mentally ill. In any event, folks, I hope you don't have encounters like this. I hope you don't meet karate experts. I hope they don't come into your smoke shop. And I hope they don't throw their lunch at you. And I certainly hope they don't do it to the police officers, because they have a hard enough job to begin with. And to deal with this stuff just is unnecessary. Great to have you back, folks. Hope to see you next time. Please hit like, subscribe, and leave your comments. Thanks again. Dave Epstein signing off for Post Politics.